Om Sri Saraswati Namaha. Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn our Prose 1, Lesson 1, Early Made Impossible Possible, SGB 2 and 3. In the previous class, we have learned some important word meaning, synonyms, and opposite words. Jail, synonym is prison, and trial means test. Hired means employed someone for some time. Who hired a lawyer and 3 witnesses? The man whose purse was stolen hired a lawyer and 3 witnesses. Let's read our SGP 2, page 2, Sense Group paragraph 2. Next, the second witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked him, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? The second witness replied, it was night, Your Honor. The judge next asked, how many persons were there at the time of theft? Now see page number 3. The witness replied, 25, my lord. The judge finally means lastly, ultimately, eventually. The judge finally asked the last question, what was the color of the purse? White, Your Honor, replied the witness. Let's see the purse. The color of the purse was black according to the first witness. The first witness said that the color of the purse was black. But the second witness said that the color of the purse was white. How was it possible? By doing some question answers, we will get the answers of all the doubts. Who was called next? By the judge. The second witness called next by the judge. How many questions did the judge ask the second witness? The judge asked 3 questions to the second witness. Did the judge ask the same questions? Yes, the judge asked same questions. What about the answers? Are they similar? No, the answers were not similar. The answers were very different. Number 5. The first witness said that the theft was committed during daytime. And what did the second witness say? The second witness said that the theft was committed at night. Question number 6. The first witness said that the color of the purse was black. What did the second witness reply? The second witness said that the color of the purse was white. Let's read SGP 3. The trial was postponed for the next day, but the lawyer was terribly upset. He scolded the witnesses for giving contradictory facts. Contradictory means opposite. Upset means disturb. Postpone means delay. Grumble means unsatisfied. Mere means only. Faulty means wrong. But each of the witnesses told that he had told the truth. The case is lost. There is no hope of saving the case because both the witnesses said contradictory or opposite facts. No need for sending the third witness, grumbled the angry lawyer. Grumble means unsatisfied lawyer. Grumbled lawyer, unsatisfied lawyer, need not third witness. Of course, the third witness was not present at that time. So, Ali, the lawyer's cook, was listening to all this. He said, "Take me as the third witness. I can save the case." The lawyer laughed and said, "This is impossible, as you are a mere cook." Mere cook means you are only a cook. You can't save the case. "You should know this, Ali." Ali, in his faulty English, said, "Sir, I have been cooking you for the last 10 years. I have been cooking you. I have been cooking for you will be the right sentence, but Ali said, "I have been cooking you." So the sentence is faulty. "And you know, I can also cook the judge and the governor." "I can cook for the judge" will be the right sentence, but here Ali said, "I can cook the judge and governor." "I am an excellent cook. I know how to make impossible possible. Give me a chance, sir." Why was the lawyer not happy? The lawyer was not happy because the two witnesses gave contradictory facts about the theft and the case was lost. Who did the lawyer scold? The lawyer scolded the witnesses. What did the witnesses reply? The witnesses replied that each of them had told the truth. See question number 4, page number 4. Do you believe that they told the truth? How? I don't believe that the witnesses told truth, as they gave contradictory facts. Number 6. Who was Ali? Ali was the lawyer's cook. Question number 5. Who was listening to all that happened? The witnesses were listening. Number 7. What did Ali say to the lawyer? Ali said to take him as third witness. What did Ali say to the lawyer? Ali told the lawyer to take him as the third witness and he could shape the case. Question number 8. Did the lawyer believe him? Why? The lawyer did not believe Ali at all because he considered him as a mere cook. How was Ali's English? Ali's English was faulty. There were errors in Ali's English. Which was the first error and the second error? Ali's first error was he said cooking you, and the second error was committed when he said that he could cook the judge and the governor. Did the errors change the meaning? Yes, the errors changed the meaning. Can you correct the errors? Yes, I can. It will be cooking for you and cook for the judge and governor. Today we got some opposite words and they are day night, set upset, usual unusual, believe disbelieve, agree disagree. This much for today's class. We will learn SGP4 in the next class. Thanks for watching.